Hello team and family, this is video number 1. Destiny saved $2,000 last year. She saved $500 in the month of November. What percent of the total amount of money she saved last year did Destiny save in the month of November? So, we're looking for the percent. We know that she saved a total. I'll put this over here. She saved a total of $2,000. So that's the whole thing, or that's how much she saved total. $500 is in the month of November, so $500 is the part. When we want to figure out the percent, what that number is. So when I set up my proportion, I can do the part, which is 500, out of the total, which is 2,000. And I want to find the percent, which is the part out of, all percents are out of 100. So now I can figure out by cross multiplying, step 1, 2,000 times x equals 500 times 100. Step 2, 2,000 times x equals 500 times 100 is 50,000. And then step 3, I have to divide both sides by the number in front of x. So I divide both sides by 2,000. Since there's 3 zeros in 2,000, I can cancel those out with 3 zeros up on the top in 50,000. So now it's 50 divided by 2. Step 4, I know that 50 divided by 2 is 25. So my answer is 25%. So in the month of November, Destiny saved $500, which is 25% of 2,000. Part B asks what percent of the total amount of money she saved last year did Destiny save in the rest of the months besides November. So I want to figure out how much did she save percentage-wise in the rest of the months besides November. So there's two ways I can do this. One way, if I know that percents are out of 100, I can take away 25% from 100 to figure out what percentage out of 2,000 did she save in the other months. 100 minus 25 I know is 75, so it would be 75%. The other way, I could set up a proportion where instead of putting 500, I know that 2,000 was the total amount for the year, minus the 500 in November, which, if I subtract that, gets me 1,500. So that's how much money was saved in the other months out of 2,000, and I want to figure out what is that as a percent. So x over 100 equals 1,500 out of 2,000. If I solve that, and I cross multiply, and I do everything correctly, I should get x equals 75%, which is, like I said earlier, one way you can do it is just take the 25% you got in answer choice A and just subtract it away from 100. So my answer for part B, she basically saved 75% in the rest of the months.